Good evening, children. How are you all? Welcome back to SST class. Today, I will teach you lesson number 4 living in a community. Community means society, समाज. एक समुदाय में रह रहे हैं. Living in a community. Community means a place where people live, work, and play. Other meaning that a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristics in common. Let's we go. Next paragraph, next page number 32, paragraph of caring for public property. We are living in a community and it is our collective responsibility to take care of certain things and place in our community as they are used by all of us. हम सभी एक समुदाय में रहते हैं और collective responsibility to take care of certain things and place in our community. हमको सामूहिक जिम्मेदारी होती है हम अपने समुदाय की हर चीज़ों और स्थानों की देखभाल करें क्योंकि वह हम सभी द्वारा उपयोग किया जाता है. So, collective responsibility awards to proper care such certain things. What is personal property? Things that we own individually are known as personal property. A person owns the possession or possession of particular owner. They can be owned by single person or even a group of people. For example, is there private vehicle, houses, and other similar belongings are examples of personal properties. खुद हमारे पास मौजूद चीज़ हो उसको हम पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी कहा जाता है. Some example is there private vehicles, houses, and other similar belongings. It is known as personal property. Means of a person owns possession of particular owner. It is means known as personal property. Let's we go. We take good care of our personal belongings and would naturally be upset or angry if some fails to handle our belongings with care. But we are equally careful while using things that belong to the general public and not just us. Very often we see people spitting on or littering the street as they walk. We take good care of our personal belongings. हम अपनी सामान की अच्छी तरह देखभाल करते हैं. यदि कोई हमारे सामान को देखभाल को साथ संभालने में विफल रहता है तो हमको स्वाभाविक रूप से निराशा भी परेशानी भी होती है. But are we equally careful while using things that belong to the general public, not just us? लेकिन क्या हम सामान्य रूप से उन चीज़ों को उपयोग करते समय सावधान रहते हैं जो वो अपने के लिए और केवल जनता के लिए. We see people spitting on or littering the street as they walk. बहुत बार हम देखते हुए लोगों सड़क पर थूकते हैं. थूकते मीन्स स्पिटिंग मीन्स थूकते. जो सड़क पर चलते हैं सड़क पर चलने का टाइम कुछ लोग थूकते हैं. Look at the picture of the person is doing here. Look at the picture. This man spitting in the walls. Okay, behind the one person, one older person and animal is here. This person is spitting on the walls. Okay. Next paragraph of sometimes people even paste posters or draw on walls on public buildings like hospital and pillars of flyover and so on. They do not realize that they are making the place dirty and thereby causing problems to the people around that place. Sometimes, कभी कभी लोग हॉस्पिटल साइड में एंड पिलर में, दीवार में, फ्लाईओवर में, खंभों पर पोस्टर चिपाता है, बट not paste or we are not paste or draw in a public buildings, but sometimes people also leaving dirty habits, paste posters in public buildings. These are very causing problem for our public places, so we not paste draw our public building. They do not realize that they making place dirty and they are causing problem to the people around that place. इस बात का एहसास नहीं है कि भी उस जगह को गंदा कर रहा है, उस जगह लोगों को इतनी परेशानी भी करती है, इस चीज़ को लोगों ने कम समझती है. सो वी आर नॉट paste or draw public building, but sometimes people also living dirty habits.